you seen people starting a career at 93 years? And not just that, how many would have dreamt to start a sports career at 93? Yes, you need zeal, passion, self-belief, and abundance of confidence to get started with a sports career at a tender age of 93. She broke a world record when she was 93 years old. And now at 104, she has no plans to stop. Her energy and drive is an inspiration for all women, young and old. She is Maan Kaur, India's very own track and field athlete from Punjab. Maan Kaur is nicknamed the Miracle from Chandigarh. Maan was born on 1st of March in the year 1916 and has been trained by her son Gurdev Singh, who is now 82 years old and an athlete himself. When Gurdev saw all women participating in games internationally, he asked his mother in the year 2010, "You have no problem, no knee problem, no heart problem. You should start running." And he started her training. Since then, both Maan Kaur and her son Gurdev have participated in dozens of masters competitions all over the world. Maan Kaur trains in her hometown of Chandigarh. She runs a 50-meter sprint 5 times. As well, a 100-meter and 200-meter sprint every other day. On such days when she doesn't run, what do you think she does? Well, on such days, she cross-trains at the gym and works on strengthening her upper body. Maan Kaur, Nari Shakti Puraskar awardee, has deep gratitude for the Almighty. She says she's able to run only because of the grace of the Vaheguru and because of her son, who takes serious care of her health and nutrition. Life offers its own sets of challenges, and it has not been all fun for Maan Kaur too. She had gallstones and she has had back pain due to osteoporosis. But she loves winning, and she's happiest on the track, where she says she forgets all her ailments. The oldest athlete has set a record by becoming the world's fastest centenarian at the American Masters Games 2016. It is such a delight to see her energy, her winning smile, the sparkle in her eyes, and the pride in her walk. Speaking about her mother, Gurdev shared that she enjoys the company of her admirers. Every time she participates, she feels proud that people around and the world feel inspired. Maan Kaur has been associated with Fit India movement and is the oldest person to complete the walk along the top of Auckland's Sky Tower in the year 2017. If you are wondering what is the 104 years old Maan Kaur doing now? Well, she is not just going strong, but India's oldest female athlete is busy coaching young athletes. Maan Kaur and her 82-year-old son and trainer Gurdev Singh are invited at several universities to share their techniques with sports enthusiasts. Maan Kaur promotes running to other older women and encourages that they should run. they should not eat wrong foods and they should encourage their children also to participate in the games. Sardarni Mankor, born on 1st of March 1916, an Indian track and field athlete. She's an inspiration, a relentless and determined woman who found her purpose at the age of 93 and set an example for the world to follow.